What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today we have a wonderful and exciting bike reveal. Sweet. The pupil, the student, has come so far. Mack has been on a Grom, has been on a KTM 390, and recently traded her 390 for this beautiful 2023 Kawasaki ZX6R KRT. Congratulations, by the way. The channel has seen you go from no license to learning how to ride to learning on your Grom. There we go. Turn the head. Turn the head. To getting your Duke after passing your MSF course. The second gear all the way through, and we're stopping right here. Perfect. So stop right there. So riding on the road, then riding the R7, getting ready for the tail. They've seen you conquer the tail of the Dragon on the KTM, right? Which you at some points told me to go faster. And now you have a real bike. First and foremost, why did you get this bike?
I have seen them in traffic forever. I always love seeing them. I think they're super cool. One came into your dealership on a trade. You sent it to me as a joke. I loved it. I've kind of been looking for a mid-sized sport bike for a while, and this was right place, right time.
Right place, right time. I would say and it's minty. So like let's talk about what's on it, right? So it's a used bike. It has low miles, but right place, right time. Not only was it a steal for the price, but it also came with a lot of stuff. So what did it come with? Let's talk about it.
So it has the not on this side, the M4 exhaust.
Okay.
Which is awesome. It sounds so good. It has domino grips. It's got upgraded ASD levers.
You got
a really nice quad lock setup with a charger.
They're super nice. Your blacked out windscreen.
Yeah.
So I guess realistically, with your arc of going from small bike to beginner bike to full size bike, what are your thoughts on now riding a super sport, and do you think you were prepared for it?
Yes, absolutely. I felt super prepared for it. Thanks for loaning me your old Riley. But it's super different, but I think I got it at the perfect point in my career. I don't think I would have ever traded the Grom or the Duke. The Duke really did its job and got me super comfortable with riding. Had I gone right from the Grom to the ZX6R, that would have been way too much bike for the job. So yeah.
Yeah, absolutely. I think that it's super important that, as we saw, and again, the channel saw a really nice progression of learning how to ride from no knowledge of motorcycles at all into riding, to learning, to passing the course, to getting a bike, to advancing your skills, becoming safer, more knowledgeable, more skilled mechanically, doing the tail of the Dragon, and kind of upgrading, practicing on the R7. And now again, it's that natural progression of going from starter to really intermediate. This is where you're at. You know, in some cases you're safer than I am on the road, just with your awareness and speed and just everything in general. So do you have any like concerns as far as this goes for yourself? You already kind of talked about, you know, people they shouldn't jump into right where you're at now, obviously, but do you have any concerns for yourself with it?
I don't have concerns. I have a lot of things that I want to do with it, and a lot of things I want to learn to do a lot better.
Okay.
So I am super excited to, you know, continue my learning journey, but nothing about it scares me.
That's awesome. So that's, again, just major testimony to the process of learning and the skills that it takes to progress in just motorcycles in general as a hobby and as a skill set. So big props. That bike is amazing. It's phenomenal. We got a lot of content on it coming. Both her riding it with me riding it. I'm going to put it through its paces as well. And you know, again, if you're new around here and you like this kind of content, we have so much more. We have beginner content, advanced content, vlogs, food, reviews, tutorials, all the things, and now featuring a ZX6. So thanks a lot, congratulations, wave goodbye to the people. Yeah, and again, if you like this stuff, you know, do the things, subscribe, hit the bell, do the stuff that helps me out, and until next time, be safe.